Mabuhay! I would like to feature my Mabuhay vlog. Welcome to my vlog, Mabuhay channel. Teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, the retired teacher. It's my first time here in the second floor. Lots for less. So, as the name suggests, more buy with less payment. So I was able to have my read t-shirt, yeah, only 100 plus, super affordable. Come now, lots for less in Mintal Davao. Lots for less. So many items for cheaper products. And you have here the hardware on this area. You have the hardware. Ay, mabuhay, shout out. Ba't nandito kayo? Dito kayo.
Kami ng diapers para sa baby na.
Yeah, that's mga magandang shoppers ng Lots for Less. Yeah, Mabuhay channel, ma'am. Please,
Mabuhay channel.
Erlinda Rindon. Okay. Name, ma'am. Shout out.
Nice seeing you.
Yeah, nice to meet you also, ma'am. And what is here in Lots for Less? Unsa man ang naadre para sa inyo?
Alat.
Alat of lahat, yeah. No. Okay, subscribe ni mama. Name, ma'am. Name maganda. Unsay pangalan nimo? Nakalimot ka? Pearl of the Orient.
And Pamela.
Pamela. Teacher being retired teacher. Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay channel, ma'am. Please look for me. Erlinda Rindon. Erlinda Rindon. Mabuhay channel. The red gown. Yung gwapa ha, kung pangit, dilito ako. Sige, nice meeting. Please subscribe. So, yun, mga co-shoppers ko here in second floor, Lots for Less. So, hardware area, hardware. Everything you need about hard. Yeah, soap is also here. Hardware. And accommodating staff. Yeah, shout out, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Mabuhay channel. Welcome to my vlog. I would just like to feature it is my second time here. Actually, but I was not able to go upstairs last time. So, it's my first time on the second floor. So, yeah, Mabuhay channel, sir. Or the manager?
No, ma'am. Supervisor.
Yeah, supervisor. So, supervisor, sir?
Sir Arnold po.
Sir?
Arnold.
Arnold, retired teacher, being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay channel, I will be posting it. Okay, please subscribe me, sir. Shout out to your... How many girlfriends or wives?
Just only one.
Only one. And Sir Guapo also? And ma'am? Okay. Hello. Your name?
Aileen
ma'am?
po. Aileen.
Aileen. Okay. Teacher being Rindon. So, come now to Mintal Davao. Lots for less. And you will be able to buy more and more with cheaper price. Okay? So, thank you. Thank you, everyone. I will be featuring some more. What's this? Cortina ata. Curtain. So this is the second floor. You have to go down. That's the area we're going to go down. So picturing some more. Ouch! This is my favorite red. I got my red t-shirt. Mabuhay! Shout out Mabuhay channel. Yeah. Anong binili niyo, ma'am?
Hair color po.
Wow. Yeah, shout out na Mabuhay channel.
Hello po, shout out sa
Mabuhay.
white channel.
Erlinda Rindon. Yeah, Mabuhay channel. So, thank you, shoppers of Lots for Less. Let's go around. Ready to wear the bags. I'm also looking